Hello guys, so I've been using PrivacyHawk for a few months now, and honestly, it's one of the best decisions I've made for managing my personal data online. As a Shopify store owner, I'm constantly dealing with sensitive information, so when I came across PrivacyHawk, it seemed like a great way to protect my personal data while focusing on my business. The first thing that got me interested was how it promised to reduce spam calls and emails, and I have to say, it actually delivers. Within the first week, I noticed my inbox was much cleaner, and the phone spam had dropped significantly. If you're like me and tired of the constant barrage of spam calls and marketing emails, this alone can be a huge time saver. The app quickly scanned my email and found over 800 companies that had access to my information, some of which I hadn't interacted with in years. It was a bit shocking to see how exposed my data really was. As an e-commerce store owner, I share a lot of information, so this was eye-opening, but PrivacyHawk made it easy to take control. What really impressed me is how much of the work is handled automatically. The system continuously scans for my personal information on data broker sites and sends removal requests on my behalf. This is a massive time saver, especially if you have your data spread across many places. I only had to manually handle a few advanced broker removals, and even that process was straightforward. It's clear that they put a lot of thought into automation, which saves a ton of time compared to doing this myself, something that would have taken dozens of hours. This is a huge advantage for busy entrepreneurs, as we often don't have time to manage all the data exposure. I also like that the app organizes everything neatly in tabs, showing what's being processed and what has already been removed. This organization gives me full transparency and a real sense of progress. This feature is especially useful if you have a lot of personal data to manage, as it allows you to see exactly what's been handled and what's still in the works. I signed up for the annual plan, and for me, the cost felt reasonable considering how much time and stress it saved. The pricing is completely upfront, and they don't hide fees, which I really appreciate. With a lot of services out there, hidden fees can be a deal breaker, so I'm glad PrivacyHawk keeps things transparent. Customer support has been solid too. Anytime I had a question, they responded within 24 hours with clear instructions, and in cases where there were technical hiccups, like occasional errors in the app, they even offered one-on-one help to resolve it. It's rare to see that kind of human touch in these services, especially when it comes to privacy tools. Of course, it's not perfect. Some companies are slow to remove your data, so results aren't always immediate. But that's more on the brokers than PrivacyHawk itself. You may run into a few companies that are dragging their feet when it comes to data removal, but the app does its best to handle it. Even so, over a couple of months, I noticed a real reduction in spam emails and calls, and my digital footprint feels much safer now. This sense of security is crucial for me as an online business owner who handles customer information. I also feel confident that my identity is better protected, which gives me a lot of peace of mind. Overall, if you're serious about protecting your personal information and reducing spam, I'd say PrivacyHawk is worth it. It's not a magic wand, but it automates most of the heavy lifting, keeps everything transparent, and the results are real. For someone like me, who values privacy and wants to take control without spending countless hours manually removing my data, it's definitely a tool I'd recommend. It's made a noticeable difference in my day-to-day digital life, helping me stay focused on what really matters, growing my business while keeping my personal data secure. I'm genuinely glad I found it, and I think it could make a huge difference for anyone looking to safeguard their personal information online.